Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you some detail about the and sealing device. This is complete set. If you move the machine, it will be open and close, open and close. Here is quite hot, but not now because I shut down and the temperature controller also shut down. So here's the air pump. This connecting thing is the light, just like this one. Okay, is the light of the cutter to open the practice bed. So when you close, high temperature of the cutter sealing the practice bag. Okay, and then the light come out. It push, air pump push, the light come out. Sorry, it's not locked, but it will be like this. So you can you can cut the bag. And then what I'm going to show you today with more detail is the hole here. I'm sorry to tell you here, it's a bit noisy over there with my staff, but that's a normal noisy thing in the manufacturer. So let me put it out. Just 1 second. Here, see that? Is also a light, but that's the light for the practice bed hole. The hole for hanging. Just like this one. And when the light go out and push the practice field, see that, like this, and cut them. So that's the idea. And there's another style, is the wrong one. So number 3 is another details. Sorry, it's about my fingers too dirty, but you can see here they still link together, right? They cut for the hole, but the practice fields still link. Here the downstairs we are not cutting. Here the wrong one. Yeah. They still link there. So why we did this? Just because if we cut every pieces, completely cut, this practice field may stuck inside of the female hole. So after time by time, maybe they stuck something here, something a little bit down here, so it will be long wood for the sealing. So if you think about this detail when you have an order with a cutter live, with a hole live, and with a practice bag style like this, or the wrong one. Even you have a bigger hole, no matter what's the outlook, you still think about this idea. Just keep some small link of your hole. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.